All right, welcome back. This is part 20, video 20 of part number 2 in how to use that quadratic formula in order to find zeros of functions. So where we left off, x equals 8 plus or minus 12 all over the quantity of 4. So what does that mean? That means 8 plus 12 over 4. And that also means 8 minus 12 over 4. And that's what I'm going to show you here in these next steps. Okay. And I want to show you how this could be rewritten 8 plus 12 over 4 or 8 minus 12 over 4. But that 4 is in the denominator of both of those terms. Right? And so you can add 8 plus 12 to give you 20. 20 divided by 4 is 5. 8 minus 12 is negative 4. Negative 4 divided by 4 is 1. I'm going to show you that in a moment. But here, take a look. You can also write this as 8 over 4 plus 12 over 4. Or 8 over 4 minus 12 over 4. I'm showing you that right here. So either way, you can write it like this and add the values on the top, keeping the denominator. Or this is also 4 underneath the 8 and the 12, and you can write it just like you see here. We have the same denominator, so when you add with or subtract with fractions, you need that same denominator. So we can add the top, or we could subtract these top numbers in the numerator as well. So I just wanted to show you that it's very important. Every radical has that plus or minus. And then the denominator value is written either like this, where 4 is shared by those two terms, or they can individually, like I'm showing you here, be shared as well. So 8 divided by 4 is 2, plus 12 divided by 4 is 3. Or 8 divided by 4 is 2, minus, or we can say that's a negative 12, divided by 4 is that negative 3. And so, like I mentioned up here, 20 divided by 4 is 5, or 8 divided by 4 is 2, plus 12 divided by 4 is 3. What's 2 plus 3? It's 5. I'm showing you that here, 5. And then before, I showed you 8 plus a negative 12 is negative 4. Negative 4 divided by 4 is a negative 1. So I'm showing you that value down here. Or again, 8 minus 8 divided by 4 is 2. Minus 12 divided by 4 is 3. 2 plus a negative 3 is that negative 1. So there's many different ways you can come up with these values in the answers shown here. Now again, since we set the equation equal to 0 when we started, before we organized our ABC values, these two values are the two zeros for this particular quadratic equation. So the answer would be zeros. What are the zeros for this particular equation? Would be 5 and negative 1. Now I'm going to continue with these videos. I'm going to show you the problems we started off with in video 1 and how to answer these different type of problems step by step. Hey, thank you for joining me. Again, math is easy. Take it step by step. If I went too fast, please stop, pause, rewind, watch it again. I can't emphasize enough. 8 plus 12 is 20. 20 divided by 4 is 5. Or 8 minus 12 is negative 4. Negative 4 divided by 4 is a negative 1. Here, I hope I didn't confuse you. This is just another way to write these fractions up above. And either way, you're going to come up with the same solution. The zeros for the quadratic equation we started with is 5, and also -1. They both would work. You could substitute these values one at a time in the original problem, and you'd end up with 0 equals 0. Checking your answer. This is a correct answer. Thanks for joining me. If I've helped you, please help me by donating gifts and stars. Thank you so very much for joining me.